Welcome to the library. As I'm sure you're aware, this library is enchanted, along with many of the items, chronicles, tomes, and volumes within it. As a new librarian, it is your duty and privilege to protect its contents. Amongst the books is an enchanted tome, containing all the secrets this library holds. I am sending you out into the library with a list. Please locate these items and document all the various forms that the Enchanted Tome can take. There are at least 6 forms I have witnessed, but I've been told there may be more. Take Vermilion, the library pet, with you. She has been here longer than I and is sure to provide some insight. If you run into any trouble, leave me a note. I will be around the library making final preparations. Sincerely, the Librarian.